Hi, today I'm explaining about Animate CC tools. Okay, so already I explained about this interface, okay, and about the all the panels, and now we'll check the tools. Okay, first today I'm explaining the first drawing modes. Okay, because it is a drawing software, okay, for animation purpose, specially designed for this. So if you observe here, all the tools here, the first is a selection tool, and here it is a sub-selection tool. Okay, most of the shortcuts will cover from all the Photoshop and Illustrator, because Animate CC also part of Adobe family. Okay, so that is the reason most of the shortcuts will continue here also. Okay, the selection tool V, and here it is a sub-selection tool A. Okay, and here free transform tool. Okay, so shortcut is Q, and you can the hidden tools. If you want to see the hidden tools, left click on that and hold that. After free transform tool, there is a gradient transform tool. Okay, that is F. Okay, and then beside that, 3D rotation tool also there, and 3D transform tool. Okay, and then if you check here, there is a lasso tool. Okay, the same like your Photoshop, the tools are similarity. It has the lasso tool and polygon tool and magic wand tool. So these are from the Photoshop like. Okay, so here we have a pen tool, add anchor point tool, okay, delete anchor point tool, and convert anchor point tool. And then there is a text tool, okay, to type anything. And here there is a line tool, and here rectangle tool. So within that again we have a rectangle primitive tool also there. Okay, and here there is oval tool and oval primitive tool also there. Okay, and here it is polystar, the create polygon shapes, and here the pencil tool. Okay, the shift plus Y, and here paintbrush tool. Okay, Y. The different the brush again, the both brushes are there, paintbrush and this normal brush B. And here there is a bone tool. Okay, then that again the bind tool also there. Okay, actually this bone tool and bind tool in the long the previous versions, these tools are not there. Okay, actually these tools are for animation purpose they gave, but the few things only we can operate with the bone tool, not the realistic animations we cannot do. Very static things and very easy kind of action, so we operate with this bone tool. I'll explain later what about this. Okay, and here this is a paint bucket tool to fill colors, so K shortcut. And here the other things also there, ink bottle, so ink bottle is S. And here eyedropper tool. Okay, to match the colors, this is a common tool again. And this is the brush tool, eraser tool, eraser tool. This is also very common. And the width tool, to get the increase the line of the widthness, you can use this. And here this is a camera tool. This is very new to you, because in Flash also the camera tool is new. Okay, the long back in the previous old version don't have this camera tool. Okay, so now they also included. And here we have hand tool, a rotation tool, and time scrub tool. These are the tools included. And here there is a zoom tool, zoom in, zoom out. And if you see there, here there is a stroke color, and this is stroke color, and these are fill color. To fill color we click there, and to stroke means outline want to change color, we use this. And here this is the black and white, the default black and white colors. Suppose, see, you can swap. These are the tools. If you observe here, these all tools very favor to for drawing. Okay, so pen tool is there, line tool is there, rectangle shapes and polygon shapes and pencil and brush. Okay, the filling colors, erasers, these are all very favor to a drawing. Okay, so because it is a drawing software. Okay, for editing, image editing, we don't use this software. Don't forget, it is not an image editing software like Photoshop, that is dedicated. Okay, Photoshop is dedicated only for image editing. Purely we use this for creating shapes, drawings and all, and animation also. Okay, there is a timeline, we use animation. Okay, let us check tools. Okay, first, before checking all the tools, we have to understand the flash behavior. So there are two types of drawing modes are there. Okay, so in flash we have two types of drawing modes, merge drawing mode, okay, and object drawing mode. So two types. Suppose I'll explain what all this. See, first I'm creating one rectangle. Okay, this is my rectangle. Suppose by pressing shift you will get accurate the squares. Okay, and release the shift, you'll get horizontally or vertically rectangles you'll get. Okay, yes, I created. So after that, by using the selection tool, you can select this. Suppose this is our stage. Okay, this is our stage and this is the paste board. I drag this box on the paste board. If you observe here, this is white, and suppose here the fill color is white, and here if you observe this is the outline color, means stroke color. Okay, so here you can separate them. Suppose, see, I can select this and you can separate. It is not included to your fill area. See, we separated from that. Now you can move this anywhere on the stage, anywhere. First of all, I'll change the color, because on white the white color is not visible. So see, there are the different colors, different the default swatches of the colors. You can choose whatever you want. Okay, and here the color code is displaying. Okay, if you type this the number, required number, it is showing. Suppose for red the time and the color code is different. Okay, and for yellow it is different. And here the alphaness is there. Alphaness means, suppose I created this. Okay, I created this, select this and select this and give the alpha. You reduce this alpha, and now you can observe this. The opacity, alpha means here the opacity of the color reduced. Okay, decreased. See, the red is dull. Now you can give the full alpha 100%, then the full color displaying. Okay. Suppose there is a the cross mark. If you don't want color, just you can click on that. Okay, see, nothing is there. Okay, and now again, if you choose any color, because of nothing is there, already deleted, we are not getting that. So Control Z. Okay, and suppose there is a color picker. So from there you can choose your colors, which color you want actually. Okay, you choose and say okay, this can apply. Okay, suppose here hue, saturation and the brightness is there. Saturation, suppose see, you can increase and decrease the full color you are getting here. White adding the tints and shades like. Okay, and suppose this, you are adding the shades. You are adding bit by bit the black, and it is going to be a black. Okay, and suppose these are the RGB colors. Okay, from here also we'll get the colors, or otherwise simply give the a number. Okay, so the color code number automatically, and that can apply to this patch. Okay, anyway, give this for time being. You can select this and delete. Now I'm doing one more box here. Okay, if you observe this, see the color only selected. If I select anywhere in color, this color portion only selecting, the outline remaining there only. That means what? This both outline and fill not including. So included, but when you drag particular item, it is separated. Okay, this way. So that is the reason in Flash, whatever you draw, after drawing that, never select an object and drag. So it can separate from outline. Okay, so that is the reason. How you select? You can drag entire thing. You can drag entire thing and move that object. Or otherwise, the simple thing, see on timeline it is showing there the black spot. Okay, you click on that black spot, so automatically your entire, the whole drawing are changing. Okay, now I want to change this color into red. Suppose see, only inside of fill color only changing, outside will be the outside, it's not changing. This even it is selected, outline color is not changing. So how can I change that? Yes, come here. Now you choose this. See, the colors are changing for the outline. So which color you want, you can choose. That is choice. That is your choice. Okay, for time being, I'm keeping this outline black only. Right. And there, I'm creating one more box here. Suppose I'm creating one more box. I created this box. Okay, I want to choose this. I want to select this. Okay, select this and you drag. See, this is attached. Okay, suppose you select this and drag, the piece is separated. Okay, means what? It is overlapped and merged. The shape is, if you overlap one shape on that, on any other piece, so automatically can merge, and if you drag that, it is separated, it can separate. Okay, so this is what the drawing is itself. It is in the merge drawing mode. Okay, so this is merge drawing mode. Okay, and suppose here I'll draw one more thing. You draw here. Okay, so before drawing, click on this rectangle tool, and here if you observe there, check my cursor here, it is showing object drawing mode. Just click on that and draw shape, okay, and again draw one more shape, or otherwise you can select this. Here outline and your fill color attached both, okay. Here these are separated because it is in merge drawing mode. Here outline and fill color each other attached. So that means what? How you understand? It is in object drawing mode, okay. And again I'll draw one more object over on that. Yes, now you can choose any object and drag. See, even these two shapes overlap to each other, but when you separate these are not mixing each other. That's it. This is called what? This drawing is in object drawing mode. This drawing mode is in merge drawing mode, okay. Suppose type here it is merge drawing mode. It is in merge drawing mode. Change the colors. It is, and here I'll change these colors. Yes, it is in object drawing mode. Object drawing mode, two different modes, okay. Select this and you can reduce this. Now we'll understand. See okay, so observe here, it is like a pixel. It is showing like a dotted look like pixel, so that means it is in merge drawing mode. Even you can select them, it's not showing any pixel. Instead of that, over on the object there is look like a one outline surrounded by that, okay. One color outline, the blue line outline surrounded. So this is means what? If you observe this in the black, see the line. So this means what? It is in object drawing mode, okay. Yes, now come to actually why these two modes in Flash or Animate CC? What purpose? What is the usage of these two? Okay, sometimes when you animate anything, suppose there is a hand is there, hand we have to animate. Suppose here I'll give one example. Okay. Suppose these two here, I'm using so these are in merge drawing mode, and this is in object drawing mode. Okay, suppose I want to animate this hand, okay, because all the parts are merged each other, because this body, head and overlapped hand and all, and I placed in one layer only. Suppose okay. I'll try again. Okay. Okay, this is object drawing mode. It is in object drawing mode, and this is in merge drawing mode. Suppose I want to animate this hand, so what will happen? Suppose I want to animate this. See, this is connected with the body because it is overlapped and merged each other, so we cannot use in animation. There will be a problem. Suppose if here, if you want to animate this, see, it is not connected with the whole body. It is separated in body, even though it is overlapped in body, but because of this it is in object drawing mode. Nicely you can animate them. Okay, so that is the benefit of the object drawing mode. Okay, but sometimes we have to use object drawing mode and merge drawing mode. Suppose I'll give you the Example, suppose change the mode. This is your drawing. Okay, select this and you can fill color, whatever the color, but it must be close. It should close that. And again, I want to show the preview here. What is this library? From edit, preferences, general, and suppose settings, text, drawing, show pen preview. Okay, check on that, and here you give the enter. Now see, the preview is showing, and you can connect them. Okay, it is connected. Just a minute, I'll check this in another file. Sometimes okay, the colors are not filling. What happened to this? Yes, anyway. Okay, so we fill color here. Suppose here also by pressing K we are filling colors. Okay, it is in merge drawing mode and filling colors easily. The same thing here. I draw with the again pen tool, and this time I want to use line tool. So there is a line, and here it is a line, and see there is a magnet. See, when you move to this line to the first one, automatically it is connecting to that. So that means what? It is the magnet is working, magnet is connecting to that. Because of these four areas, the four corners connected, you can easily fill this by pressing K. You will get that. But now the same thing, suppose after deleting this, press on the line tool, and now come to object drawing mode. In draw one line, okay, and here one more line, and here one more line, and you can connect now. Okay, and press K and try to fill colors. No, even the magnet tool is working and connected each other, but the shape is not filling because this is in object drawing mode. So object drawing mode is what? How you understand? And there is a line, outline, like there is a colored line, it is showing orange color line. Okay, so if you select individually, so these are separate pieces. Okay, actually these are not connected. These are not connected. You cannot fill the colors. Okay, in object drawing mode we cannot fill the colors. Only in merge drawing mode only fill colors. But how to fill colors for object drawing mode? Simple. You can select everything and make Control B, means break apart, or otherwise from modify you will get this break apart, and press on that Now see the outline, it is changed into the normal dotted line. Now press K and fill colors. Okay, so that means what, you can change object drawing mode into merge drawing mode, and sometimes we want to change this merge drawing mode into object drawing mode. How you do that? Select this and right click, or otherwise Control G, group, make it group. See, it is into group, so both selected. Okay, so depends on your requirement, we have to give this. So for any time, for animation purpose, when you want to trace or draw anything, it is better to draw in object drawing mode, because the drawings are even overlapped. You cannot they cannot merge each other. Okay, after finishing entire drawing, before filling colors, you can select everything by dragging this drawing or pressing that particular layer. Okay, drag this and give the Control B and then fill colors. Okay, so the preference is what, when you want to draw anything, okay, use object drawing mode, not the merge drawing mode, because when you draw in merge drawing mode, what will happen, the each other, it can fill the overlapped areas automatically, they can merge each other, and when you move this shape one side, automatically it can cut the separate that part. Okay, so draw always with the object drawing mode. Okay, after drawing that, you can use Control B and fill colors. Okay, so these are the object and merge drawing mode. Okay, so these are very important. Before okay, this is by pressing Control with the middle scroll, you'll get enlargement and reduction. Okay, so these are this is the today's class, and tomorrow I'll explain other tools. Okay, so today we learned about the drawing modes in Flash. Okay, so one is merge drawing mode and second is object drawing mode. Okay, I explained you how to use when we use this. Okay, and you also have to practice this, and if you have any doubt, please ask. Thank you.